Boston suburbia hell. Where are we?
What do you mean? You don't know where you're going?
Which way is out? I don't know where I am. Everything looks the same.
Wait, you don't know where you're going?
That is a cop.
No, it's not. That's rent-a-cop.
Slow down. Slow down. U-turn.
Oh, man, you're in big trouble.
In pursuit of stolen Cadillac SUV, traveling west on Murray Drive. Good luck, dude. Look out!
Hospital, man. People ask questions in hospitals, kid.
Go to the hospital! We're in a stolen car!